Welcome back to Hidden in the Stars and this week's Mysteries, Myths, and Misconceptions. Our apologies for the absence. Time never stops ticking as obstacles stand in our path. This week, we're stopping out a widely spread misconception. The universe does not have a center. You may be surprised to hear that the Milky Way galaxy is not the center of the universe. In fact, the universe doesn't have a center at all. Take a look. Here's a head-on and a side view of a snapshot of the universe. Keep in mind that the universe is constantly moving. Like a ticking clock, it never stops. We're fairly close to the center. Center of what exactly? Think about the universe itself. What do you envision? It's not a blank space. It's not an empty space. It's not nothing. It's everything. How do you envision everything? Every single particle, atom, quark, gluon, electron, proton, just everything. You can't fathom it, so don't break your brain. You'll be okay, I promise. There's two words astronomers use to describe the universe. You'll commonly hear the phrase, the universe is homogeneous and isotropic. NASA defines homogeneous as, it means the universe appears the same at every point, meaning there's no preferred location. Isotropic means it's the same in all directions. So, the universe is the same everywhere in all directions. It's the same everywhere you look. If you were to stand in place, anywhere, and spin in circles or spheres, it would be all the exact same, no matter what. Wait a minute, what about the cosmological constant, you may ask? Well, the cosmological constant, lambda, drives accelerated expansion. It promotes the universe getting bigger and bigger. It says, yes, grow, universe, grow. It's very positive and only wants what's best for the universe. If you get it, that's an astrophysics joke. Well, now that I've broken your brain, let's mess it up just a little bit more. What would a map of the entire universe look like? There's no way anyone could know that, right? Wrong. Scientists, of course, accepted the challenge and had to go figure that one out. So here's a couple different maps of the universe. You can see where the Milky Way galaxy is located. Just a little perspective of how small we really are. If you ever feel small, just remember these maps. But if you ever feel unimportant or irrelevant, remember, out of all the instances that had to happen in the universe, all the occurrences that had to come into place, you came to be. There's 14 billion years of universal history and photons. Ice ages have come and gone and come again. Whole species of animals and a world full of dinosaurs have been wiped out just for you to come into existence. The universe may not directly revolve around you. However, you are a very important, perhaps vital part of this world. You are meant to be. And there's our mental health plug for this week. You are important. Science says so, so it must be. Can't argue with science. Back to the universe. You may ask, friendly YouTube astronomer, if there was a center, what would it be? Well, cue claptrap mode again. I actually have a pretty confusing answer for you, minion. It wouldn't be a specific location. It would be a point in space and time where kind of everything is just moving away from you. This whole idea is surprisingly supported by the Big Bang Theory and the concept of the cosmic microwave background. Ooh, the cosmic microwave background, the CMB, an astronomer's best friend, and an interesting video yet to come. In summation, the universe does not have a center because it's homogeneous and isotropic. It is the same everywhere in all directions. It's constantly accelerating and expanding. And lastly, you're made of and you do matter. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Mysteries, Myths, and Misconceptions. Again, we do apologize for missing a week and appreciate our loyal viewers for sticking with us. Do you have a topic for us to cover? Join us on our journey through the cosmos. Catch us next time on Hidden in the Stars.